Hello guys and welcome back to my YouTube channel, and in this video I'm going to show you how to use Social Blade. So I'm going to show you from step by step. This is a step by step to show everything about Social Blade. Now before we go on, let's first of all go to Social Blade so you understand the website I'm talking about and what it means. So let me go to socialblade.com. So if you go to this socialblade.com, you can do various things with Social Blade. Now I'm going to show you all those things in this video. Now before we go ahead, let's talk about what Social Blade is. As you can see on your screen, it's an analytics tool which you can use to get information about YouTube channel, get about TikTok channel, information about Facebook channel, and the rest of them, any social media at all you can think of. Now you can equally use it to see the metrics of anything. You can equally use it to fast track your own growth on social media platforms. Like you can use it to measure your growth on social media platforms. You can use it to track your growth. You can use it to track your performance and the rest of that. So before we continue, or before I continue saying much about this software, let's just go over here and do some certain things using this tool. So now here, what I'm going to do is I'm going to insert some keywords here, and I'll show you how this thing works. So from here, what we're going to do, as you can see from here, upper section here, which is YouTube. Now if you look at YouTube here, you see that YouTube is selected here by default. Now if you want to, maybe let's say you want to check maybe for another social media platform, you want to check somebody's, even if it's someone's on, maybe the metrics the person is getting, an estimated performance of the person's channel and the rest of that. So you can equally come here. Let's say I don't want to check for the person's YouTube, I want to check for, let's say, the TikTok account and the rest of that. So I can check for Facebook, I can check for Twitch, I can check for Instagram, I can check for Twitter, TikTok, and the rest of them. So if you can just continue scrolling down, you see a lot of them here. We have Throw, we have Mixer, we have Storyfire, we have Dailymotion, we have TikTok, like I already mentioned, we have Twitter. So what I'm just going to do, let me just leave it to default here, which is YouTube. Now what we are going to use it to do is that we are going to use it to get analytics of YouTube channels, and the rest of them. So let me enter. You can come here and enter a username of someone you want to check out the YouTube. You enter your YouTube username here, or you can equally come and enter their username on YouTube, Twitch, Twitter, Instagram, or even Dailymotion. Now let's go over here and see most of the things that you can see on Social Blade here. So for the first one here, we have supported platforms. Now this is all about the platforms which they support, and if you click on here, you see the platforms which they support. Now if you click on here, you see the top list of things. Like they will give you maybe something like we have top 50 YouTubers. They will tell you about top 50 YouTubers. They will tell you about top 100 YouTube channels you can know of, and things like that. You can equally see live counts or real times of videos and of them, and you can equally compare. Let's say you want to compare one channel to another, you can use this feature to be able to compare one channel to another. Now you can equally sign up here in order to see that you use this tool. You can register here, like as you can see here, where you are seeing my mouse. You can just register there to be able to track your own performance on the internet. So now let's get right into using this tool. So what I'm going to do here is I'm going to enter, let's say I'll just enter a name here. Let me enter a name, which is, let's say, Mr. Beast. Now we are going to see, I believe most of you have heard of me. Now you're going to see the words that Beast does on YouTube channel and across social media platforms. Now if you go to Mr. Beast YouTube channel, you're going to see that he has Mr. Beast has up to 150 million subscribers on YouTube. As you can see here, look at what this tool can do for you. Now you're going to see this. You're going to see Mr. Beast having this. You're going to see his TikTok, amount of followers he has there, the amount of uploads he has. Look at the amount of uploads he has on YouTube. As you can see, the amount of video views, see this is the amount of uploads he has on YouTube. Now for this is for TikTok, this is Instagram, and the likes. Now this is for Twitter. Now this 20 million, about 20 million, and on Twitter, number of tweets on Twitch. Now every channel he has his account on is being displayed here. Now let's say I want to get information about Mr. Beast's YouTube channel. Let's say I want to know how much he makes on his YouTube channel and the rest of them. So what I'm just going to see here is an estimated amount. So let me just click on it. That's what I just need to do, just to click on it. I'll just go ahead and close this ad. Now this is just a way for Social Blade to be able to make something out of their tool. So I just need to do is to click on close ad, and this ad will be closed. Now I'll go ahead and click on MrBeast. I already done that. So to be able to see his performance on YouTube, then that might equally give me an idea of what I just need to do on my own YouTube channel. So let's go ahead and see that. Let me wait for it to load up. All right, as you can see here, we have MrBeast here. We have total grade. It's been given A+ grade here. Now Social Blade rank is being ranked as the 26th best. Now subscriber rank is being ranked as fifth best in YouTube. Okay, now if you come down here, we're going to see some certain things here. Now for instance, if we go over here, you're going to see estimated monthly earnings. Now this is just like saying YouTube can, or this tool can't give amounts which he makes, because in some months, based on number of views, his channel might drop in getting some earnings, and in some months it might equally be higher. So that's the reason why it's giving you an estimated monthly earnings. Now as you can see from here, we have $327,000 to $5.2 million dollars. So this is what you can see here from here as something which he makes on a monthly basis. Now if you come down here, you see yearly earnings. Now this is also an estimated amount. You can't just guess the right amount which he makes. Now if you go down here, look at where this thing gets interesting, or where this tool gets interesting. If you go down here, this is the day I'm making this video. Now if you go down here, you'll see the video views he has gathered for today. You'll see the estimated amount he must have made this very day. Now if you just go down, if you scroll down, you'll be able to see each of these things. You'll be able to see each of these things. Now okay, look at the very day I'm making this video here. Now as you can see, this is live accounting. Now today is not yet over. That is why you cannot be able to see the number of money he has made for today. So but as you can see here, you'll be able to get the matrix of both the video views and everything that has to do with his channels. Now you see something like daily averages. As you can see here, you see weekly averages, you see last 30 days, how many number of people he has gathered to get subscribed on his channel. As you can see, subscribers, people that have been subscribed newly to his channel. So this is how you can be able to use this. So let me go ahead and maybe let me remove MrBeast. Let me use another person. Okay, let's just say let me use another name. Okay, I say Nigerian. Let me use another name like Angel. Now I want to look up for this channel also. I want to look up for this channel on YouTube. So let me see or get an idea of what this channel is doing, and maybe let me just see performance across social media platforms. So what I just need to do is to input the name here. And if I did now, next thing I'm going to do is to search for this name, like search for this name here. So once you search for the name, then you're going to have an information you can look up to, and then be able to see how this channel is performing. Just want to look up information about the YouTube channel. So I just need to do is click on the YouTube area, and as you can see here, it says it is ranked first in the country Nigeria. This name is ranking first as a result of the fact that it has a lot of subscribers on YouTube. Now on YouTube it's ranking first because, honestly speaking, having this amount of subscribers is not something you can take for granted. Now the country, as you can see, is showing me the country, which is Engine, which is Nigeria, and you have channel type. Now this is what you just need to use this channel to this software or this tool to do. You can see from here, you can see the channel type ready when it's being created. Now when you go down here, if you go down, you can see the earnings. Now this is the amount of earnings it has earned over time, like it earns on monthly basis. Now yearly basis, this is what you can see. Now total video views, you can use this thing to check the video views per day and the rest of them, or you can equally go down Like if I scroll down here, I can use, like I can see the video views. Now see the video, only see the amount it makes per day and estimated amount actually it makes. You can use this tool. Now, like I said earlier on, you can also use this tool to track your own social media performance. What you just need to do is just go over to here. We have register. Just register with this tool and you'll be able to start, getting your performance metrics. That you start getting performance metrics on how your channel is performing, both your YouTube channel, your TikTok, and the rest of them. And in my next video, I'm going to show you a tool that can help you to make research of keywords that can be used to create your YouTube videos as well as your TikTok videos and the rest of that. So in my next video, I'm going to show you a tool that can help you to do that. But if you want to use this tool, you just need to, like I said earlier on, is to click on register. Once you click on register, you just have to register with the tool, and that's that. You just get started by giving them your information, and then giving them also YouTube channel information, and then you can be able to see how your channel is performing and its performance, knowing when it is ready to be monetized and the rest of that. So this is how you can be able to do that. Now if you just click on here, you can enter the registration details and then you click on register. So like I said earlier on, in my next video, I'm going to show you how tool also that can help you to get keyword ideas, and as well you can use it to make videos on YouTube. See you in the next video.